Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add numbers vertically in X. For this you need to click the empty cell directly below the column of numbers you want to add. For example, I'll put the cursor on the B14. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. So place the cursor and now you need to press this Alt key and this is the equal key on your keyboard. You need to press both keys all together and then click on the enter here. And here you can see that the numbers are vertically added in the B14 cell. Moreover, there is another method. You need to click the cell where you want the total to be appeared and now type equal sign, type sum, and now open the bracket and highlight the range of cells vertically for February from 3rd to 13 and close the bracket, hit enter, and this is so simple. Moreover, if you don't want to use the formula, you just need to highlight the range of the numbers and now look at the status bar at the bottom right corner of the window to see instant sum here. This is the sum here, 603, and when you calculate it you can cross check like this one. Moreover, if you want to add some specific vertical values, for this you need to use the equal sign, type subtotal, open the bracket and select the number 9. That tells Excel to perform a sum operation on non-filtered cells only, and then comma, space, and now select the range of the numbers, close the bracket, hit enter. Moreover, you can also use the traditional operator formula. So put the equal sign and then select the cells you want to add in, plus, and this cells, plus this cells, plus this cell, plus, and this cell, and then hit enter, and here you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add numbers vertically in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.